In this video, I want to talk about how you can get free stuff on AliExpress. Now, there are actually three different methods to do this, so let me just quickly go over them. Now, the first method, which is to use the new user deals. Now, keep in mind, this will only work if you're a new user and this is your first time, but this is how it works. Now, the second one is using the freebies or review program. So if you go to the freebies and review section, you need to do this from the app. You can just apply for products that you want to test. And then when you get these, you need to make a review of the item that you received, and then you can be able to keep it. Now, the third one is to stack your discount coupons. So when you log in, you'll get these daily coins. And once you have enough of these, you can stack them so you can get the item to be either free or only a few cents. So this is basically how that works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.